One thing you can do inside of Calendar that can help you remember some of your events, upcoming events, and scheduled meetings and those types of things is to set notifications. So I am going to set notifications for this calendar. So remember we said that each calendar is like a layer of our life. We can actually set notifications for each calendar individually. So I'm going to come into this calendar right here, and I'm going to click on settings and sharing. So notice again I have these general things that I can do. I can change the name, set mountain times, do some different things here. I've shared with public, and then I'm going to come down here to event notifications. Now notice that right now I have a notification set to alert me 10 minutes prior to any meetings or any events that I have. So what this means is that if I'm sitting on my computer on a browser, then I'm going to get a notification that's going to come up in my browser window as a new window that's going to say, hey, you have a meeting 10 minutes from now. So what I can do is I can set multiple notifications. So for example, if I want to add another notification and I want to say get an email the night before, what I can do is I can click on email and I can tell it this is how many hours, days, or whatever before. So if I want to click this and I want to turn this to 1 day, now what's going to happen is I'm going to get an email 1 day prior to the meeting, as well as a notification 10 minutes prior to that happening. So the email, if I have it set up on my mobile device like my phone, it's going to come in just simply as email. The notification, again, if I have it set up on my mobile phone for Google Calendar, it's going to pop up as a notification on my screen. So notifications are very easy to add. Now I can also add an all-day event notification. So these notifications actually work only for those events that are happening within a given time frame. I can come up here and I can add a notification for the days here. So that's going to give me a 1 day before at 9 a.m. So now I've got those notifications set up here for this calendar. So it's only going to work for this calendar right here, the Jeff Cruz calendar. If I wanted to do that for a different calendar, I would simply have to just come back out. It's going to save that information, and let's say I want something to happen for my Google Class 2018. Sharing and settings, and again I come down and I do the exact same thing I did before. Now notice on this one there are no notifications, so if I create a calendar and I don't set up any notifications, you're not going to get any kind of email or pop-up window that says you have a meeting. You have to set those up in this settings menu here. So that's notifications, short and sweet, and hopefully you can use these to help make your life a little bit easier to manage.